Hello everybody, I'm back with one more Sindhi recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make Nijji Palak or Aesee Sai Bhaji. Other Sai Bhaji is cooked with vegetables and lentils, everything together, but this one is just pure plain palak, just cooked with the onion and garlic tadka. So this pairs very well with the lola, so I thought might as well make it just before Satai or Thadri so that we can pair it up with our Satai festive goodies. This also goes well with the Besani, which I showed you in the previous video. So let us go and make Aesee Sai Bhaji, Nijji Palak. Here we have taken 2 bunches of spinach or palak. We are going to wash it nicely and cut it. We have 3 small onions, 1 pod of garlic, 2-inch piece of ginger and 4 green chillies. I'll be adding only 2 though, but 4 should be appropriate for this recipe. Here we have oil 2 to 3 tablespoons and ghee, clarified butter 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I have washed the spinach nicely and cut it. Here we have the onions chopped finely, garlic peeled and chopped, grated ginger and green chilies are chopped finely. Take a pan, add the oil, about 2 tablespoons should do. Add the cumin seeds. Allow them to crackle. Now dip in the ginger, about 1 tablespoon. Saute it a bit. Then add the onion, finely chopped onion. Continue sauteing until it becomes translucent. Now add the green chilies. I am adding only 2 because my family cannot eat hot stuff, but 4 should go into this. Then the taste is really nice. Add more if you like spicy food. Stir fry it a little. Now we are going to add the chopped palak. This bhaji has to be slow cooked. Some people use the pressure cooker method, but the slow cooked version is the best. It tastes very, very good. Cover it and allow the spinach to settle down a little. Now it has gone down, we can start adding the other ingredients. Add the salt to taste. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Stir everything together with the spatula. Then cover it and cook it on low flame. After about 10 minutes, you will see that the bhaji is getting nearly done. Everything has been cooked, and keep mashing it with the spatula. Spinach leaves out a lot of water and it gets cooked in its own water. Now check the salt. At this stage we can add if more is required. It's perfect, I think. Don't need to add any more. Now cover the pan and again leave it to cook on very low flame, simmer it. Regular intervals, keep stirring and mixing with the spatula. After about 15-20 minutes of cooking, you can mash it with a small hand masher or back of the spoon. Now the palak is almost done. We need to add the tempering now. It takes about 20 minutes. Place a small pan for tempering or tadka. Add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Actually you can add 2 tablespoons also. This bhaji will taste much better. I am adding 1 spoon though. Add the chopped garlic. Now garlic can be added whole also or lightly crushed also. So add it anyway according to your preference. Once it is golden brown, stir it into the palak. This bhaji is specially cooked on the Satai Thadri day. It pairs very well with lolas. Stir everything nicely with the spatula. Now it's done. You can dish it out and serve it. So do give it a try. This is a very nutritious sabji. So make and enjoy, dear friends. On Satai you can make it with lolas, or on normal days you can enjoy it otherwise also with rotis and bhakris. This is joa bhakri, we call it dodo in Sindhi. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notifications.